Hey, I'm standing here with Greg and Devin of Austin Trailer Rentals. They are up in Blackfoot, Idaho. So if you're ever in that area and you need a RV rental, or you need an RV technician, or you need an RV inspected, they are the guys to go to. And we've been together at the RV school, and they stopped by here at Ramble Trailer Works to check out more Airstream things, because I would tell you, if you have an Airstream and you're looking to get that Airstream inspected, like, they are guys who could do it for you. Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, Utah, that whole region right there, they can help you out. Eastern Washington and Oregon, I assume, as well. But they travel all over the area. But if you need an RV rental, RV inspection, or an RV technician to do anything for you, look up these guys, and I'll make sure their website and all is on here. But I'm going to have them tell you a little bit about their business and what they do.
I'm Greg Austin, and this is my son, Devin Austin. We're with Austin RV Rentals and Austin RV out of Blackfoot, Idaho. We've been doing rentals for 10 years. This will be our 10th year doing RV rentals, and we've just included RV repairs and inspections in this last year.
What's your favorite thing about the RV lifestyle?
Our favorite thing is just you can pack up and go anywhere you want and whenever you want.
Where's the best place to visit, or where's the most popular place people take your campers?
Yellowstone and
Definitely Yellowstone, yes.
Second most popular?
Teton National Park.
How about the Craters of the Moon? Do you ever go there?
Not too often, but every once in a while they head out to Craters of the Moon.
Anything about your area any people need to know? Like, go visit the Potato Museum?
Yeah, there's
absolutely.
the Potato Museum is right in our small little town, and so that's always a good pit stop to go to. Lava Hot Springs, also about an hour up the road, that is a popular spot to go to as well.
What's your specialty in the RV industry right now? You would say that your specialty is?
My specialty is just mostly trailer repairs and maintenance.
Any specific brand or thing you prefer over the other?
I love Brinkley and Alliance. Those two are very easy to work with, and they're just a solid built trailer.
Most recently Airstream, you're getting?
Yep, most recently Airstream. Yep, we're venturing into Airstream, and I hope I'm learning more and lots from Brad. So, yep.
Yeah.
What's your RV specialty at the moment?
Well, I'm working on what my specialty is. So my specialty is a little bit of everything, and I intend to get my hands dirty in a little bit of everything.
Cool.
Done axles, done hydraulics now, and just trying to find what that specialty is.
Awesome.
And what I'm good at. So,
Awesome. From a rental perspective, do you allow your customers to tow, or you tow it for them?
I'd say 95% of our rentals are us taking it to a customer and setting it up for them, and the other 5% is people coming and getting it and taking it themselves. It's open to both.
I tell people all the time, you can't bring your house habits into your RV, and I heard you talk about full tanks earlier. What's the number one rookie mistake people make in the RV industry, renting or taking their own?
They don't know how to use the tanks in the RV. They don't know, how to conserve on that when they're dry camping. So,
yeah, so I said, don't bring your house habits into your RV.
Don't bring
That's
your
from
house.
Internet consumption and water consumption and power use and all the things.
Yeah.
still my favorite phone call was one of them that filled up the tanks the very first day. Was they couldn't figure out why they couldn't charge their cell phones. Yeah. They had plugged the 110 into the outlet, and we're like, it's not plugged into anything else on the other end. So,
yep.
Anything else the world needs to know about your area or your business or you individually?
Anywhere, like Brad said, anywhere in eastern Idaho, western Wyoming, western Montana, northern Utah, we're willing to travel. And if you need it fixed, we're going to figure out how to fix it. So,
well, thanks, guys. Great to meet you both.
Yeah.
And thanks for stopping by here.
Yep.
And,
absolutely.
No problem.
Seeing you guys next time we're out in that area.
Thanks for the hospitality.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
it. So,
yeah.
I appreciate those guys stopping in at the Ramble Trailer Works to check out the shop and see and learning more about Airstreams and Airstream repair and Airstream inspections. I spent a number of weeks with these guys at the NRVTA and thoroughly enjoyed their time and chats back and forth. So if you're looking to rent one, go to their website. And if you're looking to get inspection done or get work done, go to this website. And you can learn more about all they do there on both those sites. They also on social media too, the various platforms, so you can find them. All the links will be down in the video description. If you're looking to plan a trip into the Idaho, Yellowstone, Tetons area at all this summer, maybe you can fly in, rent a car, have them deliver an RV somewhere for you to visit, or you don't have to tow the rig all over the country just to get to that one spot. Really neat option, really neat opportunity, and a great family right there. So hope you all have a wonderful day, and happy adventures, everybody.